Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make TMI question tag को video. अनि मेरो ब्याकग्राउन्डमा चाहिँ धेरै चराचुरुङ्गीहरू कराइरहेको छ. त्यही भएर don't mind it, just enjoy it. We can never say no to nature, so म चाहिँ आज TMI question tag को video बनाउन गइरहेको छु. हुन त I'm not any celebrity, media personality or famous मान्छे that you guys want to know more about me. त्यही पनि since आफूले YouTube journey start गरेको भएर चाहिँ I wanted to give some information हुन्छ नि आफूको भनेर अलिक चिनाउनको लागि मात्रै यो भिडियो बनाएको. त्यही भएर त्यो वेमा नलिनु होला. अन्तिमसम्म हेरिदिनु होला. I hope everyone of you will enjoy it. Okay, let's get right into the video. What are you wearing? I'm wearing this Adidas ko t-shirt अनि तल चाहिँ मेरो basketball jersey को half pant. Ever been in love? Yes. How tall are you? I'm 5'2". Living minion. How much do you weigh? Skip. Do you have any tattoos? I don't. Do you have any piercings? Yes, I do. मेरो दुईटा कानमा एकुन्टा. What is your favorite show? तारक मेहताका उल्टा चश्मा. Always and forever. त्यो बिना त मलाई भातै रुच्दैन. Something you miss? My mom, my little sister, and Coke र Momo. How old are you? I'm going to be 20 this August. Teenage पनि सकियो. बुढी भयो हजुर. What is your zodiac sign? I am Leo. What is your favorite quote? What flows, what clashes. Who's your favorite actor? Shahrukh Khan. What is your favorite color? Blue. Loud music or soft music? I'd rather go for soft music. Where do you go when you're sad? Under my blanket. How long does it take you to shower? 30 to 45 minutes. I know that's a lot. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? 5 minutes to 15 minutes accordingly. Ever been in a physical fight? Yes, I have. Done your cousins and your siblings are kati. The reason you joined YouTube. Okay, this is an interesting question. As cliche as it might sound, मैले चाहिँ YouTube join गर्नुको कारण चाहिँ because I wanted a platform. I wanted a number of audience to watch me. अनि कुनै कुनै बेला यस्तो हुन्छ नि you want to talk about something so badly तर about एउटा social issues नै भनौँ न अनि but you don't have audience के अनि you can't reach out to people अनि you know you can bring change नभए पनि at least a positive impact त्यो like आफूले बोलेर गरेर but then कसले तिमीलाई हेर्ने मान्छे छैन कि अनि त्यही भएर I wanted a group of people watching me so that I can contribute at least in making some positive change in the society. What are your fears and phobias? I'd rather not consider it a phobia, but fears मा चाहिँ I'm scared of darkness. मलाई darkness देखि एकदम डर लाग्छ and spider and snake. What was the last thing that made you cry? I guess it's me myself. मेरो overthinking गर्ने habit. Last time you said you loved someone. My sister? Meaning behind your YouTube name or other usernames? YouTube मा चाहिँ मेरो real name नै छ निशमा गुरुङ, whereas Instagram handle चाहिँ मेरो The Living Dummy हो. अनि I discovered this name while I was in grade 8. अनि grade 8 मा discover गरेको अनि that point of life मा चाहिँ I felt like I'm dead inside तर still I'm living के अनि त्यही भएर त्यतिखेर मैले डिस्कभर गरेको नेम हो. त्यही भएर चाहिँ द लिभिङ जिउँदछ but then you're still like a dummy. डम्मीहरू त अब बोल्न सक्दैन गर्न सक्दैन नि त त्यस्तै हो क्या लाइक त्यही भएर चाहिँ मैले यो नेम चुज गरेको द लिभिङ डम्मी आई नो ग्रेड 8मा पढ्दा स्टिल यङ हुन्छ होइन एकदम कलिलो उमेर हुन्छ बट देन आई वाज गोइङ थ्रु समथिङ द्याट पर्टिकुलर एजमा त्यही भएर द्याट पर्टिकुलर नेम connects. What was the last book you read? Real Stories of Dealing with Depression by Amrita Tripathi and Arpita Anand. The book you're currently reading, the same book. Last show you watched, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Last person you talked to, my mind too. The relationship between you and the person you last texted. Sorry, Isma. मेरो सोल्टी नि सानो मम्मी दुइटै पर्छ त्यो वाट्स योर फेभरेट फुड दाल भात तरकारी मोमो कोक सक्यो प्लेस यु वान्ट टु भिजिट पेरिस लास्ट प्लेस यु वेयर इन हङकङ नो सिङ्गापुर What instruments do you play? I used to play keyboard. Keyboard नै भन्छ पियानो त भन्दैन हैन. Yes, अनि I'm learning to play guitar. Last sport you played? Skipping or basketball? If skipping count as one. Last song you sang? जीवन जात्रा हो. धेरै पछि सुनेको थिएँ अनि yes. Last time you hung out with anyone? I guess it was my mom. While म हङकङमा हुँदैन त्यसपछि त यहाँ आएपछि त लकडाउन. Who should answer these questions next? Every one of you. कमेन्टमा सबैले लेख्नु होला है त. So that was it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. हुन त म कुनै सेलिब्रिटी हैन that you guys want to know much more about me. त्यही पनि युट्युब जर्नी स्टार्ट गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ आफ्नो बारेमा केही भनौँ कि भन्ने सोच आयो सो मैले यो TMI क्वेसन ट्याग को भिडियो बनाएँ. So if you like it, do share, do like, share and subscribe. अनि कमेन्टमा नि do participate. मैले एन्सर गरेको क्वेसन्सहरु पनि हजुरले पनि एन्सर गर्नु होला अनि keep supporting, keep loving. Until next time, bye everyone.